Hello guys, structures and pointers. This chapter is going on. We have discussed structures in detail. Now it's time to concentrate on the vital topic, the important topic, pointers. What is pointer? It's English word. Can you give its meaning? Yes. Who is plumber? The one who does job of plumbing. Who is painter? The one who does job of painting. Then what is pointer? The one who points to somebody. Yes. See, in program I declare some variable x with value initialized to 10. I am showing that x in RAM containing value 10 at some address, let us say 6000. Now in this RAM I can have another variable y whose address may be 7000, and this y will do the job of pointing towards x. This y will be called as pointer. Pointer is the one which points to somebody. Yes, here y is a pointer which points to x. Sir, what does it mean exactly? Y points to x means what? Means y contains address of x. When y contains address of x, we say that y points to x. Y is a pointer. You got it? Okay, let me use pointer in a program so that you will have better clarity. In this program, I am displaying value of x, that is x, and address of x, that is ampersand x. You know this. So some address it will print. We are not interested in this value. It may be anything. In this diagram, I have considered 6000 as the address of that variable x. Okay, now I want pointer in my program, pointer y. How to declare it? Y is a pointer. It should be declared using star notation. You say int star y. So compiler will understand now that y is a pointer of which type? Of integer type. So now in this program y may point to an integer. Y may contain address of some integer type of variable. So I will assign here address of x to y. Alright. Now tell me, can I print address of x using y? Yes, directly I will write here y. The last two output will be same. Address of x, here it is ampersand x, and here it is y. Both are one and the same. This is fine, this is obvious because y contains address of x. But the real magic of pointers is in this statement which I am writing now. I can print value of x also using y. Sir, how? I will write star y. I am using star again. Let me first run it. Yes. In the program I have used star notation twice. Once for declaration of pointers and one more time to get the value of the variable to which the pointer points. You got it or confused? Okay, what you do, you just understand this one sentence. Whole pointer topic you will find very easy. When a pointer y points to x, y gives address of x and star y gives value of x. This is very important. Star y gives value of x. Here y points to x, so y gives address of x, right? This is address of x, and star y gives value of x. You may say when y points to x, x has got another name. Which is that name? Star y. Star y is an alias of that variable x. You got it? Okay, now you may ask, sir, what is use of those pointers? See, pointers are very much useful in C and C++. Pointers are used in functions in call by reference method. We are going to study function chapter later. Then pointers are used in dynamic memory allocation. What is dynamic memory allocation? In this chapter only we are going to study. Then pointers are used to create different data structures like array, linked list, tag, queue, tree, etc. In this course of C and C++ programming, we are going to study arrays and other data structures like linked list, tag, queue, tree, graph. All those we are going to study in separate course called as data structures. Alright, now come back to this program. Here see how we have declared the pointer using notation in star. Better to put this star along with y, int, and then here star y. Same output we are going to get. Yes. Many times I noticed students say, sir, here star y is a pointer. No, y is a pointer. Star is required as syntax for its declaration. Y is a pointer. It contains address of x. Okay. Now here it is declaration of pointer y. Here it is initialization of pointer y. Why not to put both these statements together? Very similar to this one. X is declaration as well as initialization. Yes, possible. So I will comment out this statement and here only I will say yes. And here many times students get confused. Sir, here it seems that star y means address of x. And what you said earlier, star y means value of x. Don't get confused. This is declaration of pointer y. Star is required as per the syntax rule of C and C++ for declaration of pointers. Right? During declaration, if you are using star, then it is a pointer variable. And in the program, if you are using star, then it is some value and not address. You remember this way. Okay. Let me run it. Same output I am going to get. I may declare x and y together. Yes, no problem. Right. So what we discussed about pointers, let us summarize those points. 3 points. First one, a pointer is a variable which contains address of another variable. It is declared using star notation. For example, int star p. Here p is a pointer of integer type. It may contain address of an integer variable. A pointer can be of any data type. We can have character pointer, float type pointer, struct student type of pointer. Then second point, when a pointer y points to a variable x, then y gives address of x, star y gives value of x. And third point about pointers. Remember, in a program, int star y means declaration of pointer y. Y means address stored in y. Star y means variable to which y points. So I hope that you have understood all these 3 points. See, many times students get confused while working with pointers. Why? Because of 2 meanings to this symbol star. First meaning, it is used for declaration of a pointer. And second meaning, it's nothing but value at address in. Star y means value at address in y. What is content of y? It is address of x, so it is value of x. I hope now there is no confusion in your mind about this star symbol used in pointers. Okay. See, value of x in this program I can print using one more way. What is y? It is address of x. So y I will replace with address of x. Let me run it. Yes, I am getting 10. So star ampersand x is nothing but x only. You remember this also. Alright guys, so I hope you have got a clear introduction about pointers in this video. I will stop now. In next video, I will continue this topic.